Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and will also share with you the remote job opportunities. So before we start, let me tell you about the new product that we have created for you, and it would be available on the TopMate. So the product contains 140 plus real-time interview questions and answers dedicated to OOPS concepts. These days, if you will go into the interviews, you'll get a lot of questions on OOPS. So if you are looking for any such kind of interview questions and answers material, interview preparation material, you can just get it from the TopMate link. What I'll do is I'll put this TopMate link in the description as well as in the comment section of the video so that it is easier for you to access. Now let us go to the job opportunities. Okay, so let me share all those job opportunities with you. And today we have got the fresher job opportunities as well. So many a times people do tell us in the community or in the comment section that they are unable to apply for the fresher job opportunities. There are no jobs for the freshers. So have got few of the fresher jobs as well. Okay, so the very first job opportunity is with respect to the QA engineer, and it's a remote job opportunity. So you can email your resume to this particular email address. It's a remote, you can apply for the remote job, and they are looking for 5+ years of experience. Then the second job opportunity is with respect to this company, which is looking for 4+ years of experience, and they have got multiple job opportunities with respect to project manager, QA tester, backend developer, front-end developer, and the company name is Vian Webs Private Limited, and the location is this one, it is given, and you can share your CV at this particular email address. Even the contact number is provided, so you can apply over there directly. Then there is a remote job opportunity. Again, there is a requirement for manual tester, and the experience required is 3 to 5 years. Location is Bangalore, India, or remote or hybrid. So employment type is full time. So you can send your resume to this particular email address with the subject line manual tester application. Okay, and this is a pure remote job. Okay, if you are in Bangalore, they might call you for the hybrid or for the work from office. Otherwise, it is purely remote. Then Impact Analytics is also hiring for senior QA automation engineer role, and they are looking for someone who has experience of 3 to 7 years, and location is Bangalore hybrid. And this is the link. What I'll do is I'll put this links and this email addresses and all the details that I have consolidated for today's video. I'll put this in the first comment of the video itself, and I'll pin it as well so you can get all the details from the first comment itself. Then LTI Mindtree Company is hiring for Kolkata location, and it's a face-to-face interview. The date is 13th of December, and the timings are 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. So you are expected to work with respect to this particular skill set. So if you have C Sharp or test automation, if you have JavaScript Playwright, if you have mobile test automation, Tosca test automation, Salesforce test automation, OTT testing, so you can apply over here. Primary skill set is given. Device testing across web, mobile, smart TVs, debugging tools are given, and must have. So interested candidates, you can connect with this particular email address. You can share your profile candidature to this particular email address itself. Then there is a requirement for QA engineer, manual plus API testing. Location is Gurugram, and it's a work from office role. Experience required is 3+ years, and they are looking for immediate joiners again. So if you are someone who knows properly functional testing for both web as well as for mobile, then you can apply for this particular job opportunity. And whenever you are going for manual testing or functional testing roles, they'll ask you SQL questions. So be prepared for SQL as well. And good to have is basic automation knowledge and performance testing exposure using JMeter or Locust. And this is the email address wherein you can share your CV. Then there is a requirement at Blend India, and they are looking for software QA engineer. And the experience required is 4 to 10 years of experience in QA and test automation, skill in building automation scripts like tools like Selenium, Cypress, Playwright, or APM, and experience testing APIs using Postman or REST Assured. So these are few of the details. Now let me share with you some more details. Uh, so I was talking to you about a few more remote jobs. Yeah. So these are the details. So let me share my screen. Okay. So this is a company which is looking for QA testers, and they are looking for freshers. And this is the email address, the contact number, and the location is IT Park, Nagpur. So they are looking for someone who has 0 to 2 years of experience as a QA tester in software industry, strong communication and documentation skills, high attention to detail, and experience with Jira is preferred. So you should be flexible to adapt to project requirements and timelines. So these are the details with respect to this company. 5 positions are there. Then AiBridge is hiring for various positions, and from that, one of the position is QA automation as well. So which is 0 to 4 years, and these all job opportunities are remote. So here, whichever roles are listed out, it is a remote hiring. So you have to send your resume at hr@aibridge.com. Then there is a requirement for QA tester. 4 years of experience is required, and the contact details are provided. Apart from QA tester, the requirement is for front-end developer, back-end developer, and project manager. So the website details are given. So website details are www.v5anwebs.com. So you can apply over here itself. Right. So these are a few of the job opportunities for a remote. We saw for the hybrid, we saw for the freshers, we saw the testing jobs for experience as well, testing jobs for remote, work from home testing jobs, work from office testing jobs. So all these testing jobs we have seen, and would request you to apply today itself, and stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.